Guys, I'm trying to draw my name.
No, you're not drawing your name. You're writing your name.
Guys, I'm trying to write my name.
Wow, hindi ka siya? R dito. Try mo dito, R. That's U. Hindi ka siya. Dalawang B. Dito na lang yung B. Dito na lang. Dito na lang sa baba.
Baba.
Hindi ka siya ba? Sorry anak, mahaba yung name mo. Then O.
Oh na.
Sorry, di ka siya. Ang haba ng name kasi. Sorry.
I have
This is your I am 4 years old.
4 years old.
Oh, lagay mo dito number 4.
Number
4.
What's number?
Number 4. Paano ba ang 4?
What? Like
Paano number 4? 4, ganon.
like this?
No, let me write it. You follow it. Nalimutan mo na yung numbers mo.
Dalawa. Sis.
Oh, you remember na?
Yes.
Oh, dito mo lagay. Number 4. Ayusin mo, hindi ganyan. Ayusin mo.
Wala lang space.
Burahin mo yan.
Alam, going.
Oh, how old are you?
4
Okay.
years old.
Oh, paano mag-draw ng... You can draw your... Ano yan? Okay. Alright. Okay na.
I cannot do that. Bye, guys.